So Tom has borrowed my car before. You may remember the track day at Castle Combe.
I did, yeah.
And now he's borrowing it to go around somewhere a little bit scarier.
Can't see when you go uphill.
No. It is very low, sorry mate. Once you're on the track it's fine.
What did I tell you? I said there's more coming. Bryn, another legendary moment from him, saying, come to the ring. I was like, oh, it's expensive. Come to the ring. Okay, but what am I going to drive? I have to rent a car? Drive my car. Here we are again in Bryn's blue TT, but with the gold wheels that we had on ours and the Gaz Coilovers. And it doesn't have to drive well. Right, here I go. Wish me luck. I'm nervous as balls.
So am I. Pull over, left, 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 left. I can't reach. I can't reach. Could you, Danke?
Right, turn off the one.
Okay, so if in doubt, indicator on and right.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to switch over to my in-car stuff.
Oh, this is nice.
Bump.
Yeah, it's slowed down.
Past him now.
What the fuck?
But he's maybe on his way to an accident. Just bear that in mind. He might be on his way to a yellow.
Yeah. Oh, it's got to feel good.
Tom's not hanging around. He's going for it.
I'm enjoying it. Right, better than that.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Nice.
How do the brakes feel?
Incredible. Too hard. No, no.
This bit's so cool but so scary.
Yeah, it looks amazing.
So it's just starting to rain a little bit.
Oh, that felt cool.
Yeah, it is, ain't it?
done so far, I hate it was literally just then
Yeah.
where I braked on a corner a little bit, which
Yeah.
is the wrong thing to do, but at the same time I knew how the car was feeling.
Yeah.
I wanted just to knock the speed off the tad, but otherwise I'm happy so far with how it's going.
Have you seen the incident yet?
No.
No, so keep them on still.
It's a bit wetter down here, doesn't it? I don't know if there's any more lights coming on, if that makes sense.
Yeah, I don't know, but better safe than sorry. Right, slowest corner of the track here. Okay, take hazards off. It is a bit damp now, look. See how the whole track is damped up a little bit?
Yeah. Even the Beamer's has got its hazards on now and staying behind.
Yeah. Keep it slow, keep it slow. Look, yeah, there's a safety car there. But these others are off now, so I don't know. I think we're alright if it was that was the issue.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, because these lights ain't on, so cool. This is slippy in the wet. This is slippy in the wet.
Yeah, I'm just going to
Keep
sit
off the dry line, keep off the dry line, hang it out left a little bit.
There's something coming, so I'm just trying to.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going slow. Don't know where it's gone.
Yeah, you're fine. Keep left. After this one, head out to the right, right, right. Wipers.
Slow motion wipers, huh?
Yeah. See, the problem is it's going to be greasy because it's been so hot, and that is just a little bit of water on the track.
Yeah. Whatever's behind isn't going fast,
No.
so that's nice. Catching up a bit now.
Yeah.
Some, I don't know what the hell that is.
What?
Just looks scary.
Out of the car. I have no idea what that is.
Corvette, isn't it?
No idea.
Nothing coming.
Third.
Oh, a dream come true. I'm driving the carousel. Oh my days. That is insane. In the membrane.
It is, ain't it? It's just bonkers.
I can almost cry right now with just 14 years of waiting to come back, and here I am doing it. I just feel elated.
Yeah.
Thank you,
We
Brit.
haven't even got a brake around this left, you just ease off.
Okay.
Because it's so steep. Just scrubs all your speed. Oil, oil, oil.
Is it the 15 kilometre mark? Is where the
More
bit is?
oil.
Oh yeah. stay behind him, but that's why he's got his hazards on, right?
I assume so.
Yellow light.
Yeah, just take it slow. Unless they pull over for what they're dealing with. Like, looks like he's pulled over to deal with something. I don't know how it works fully.
Oh, I ain't gonna go past him. He'd be on the right if he wanted you to go past, wouldn't he?
Yeah. You've had it all in your first lap. Bit of rain, bit of yellow. You're gonna have to go past it. Makes you wonder what it was for.
Yeah. Don't know if we're speeding up or what. Got a bit fast, obviously, but.
Right, there's probably something there that's the incident.
Yeah.
Take this next carousel as well.
Everything behind me. Loads of things all right.
Okay. And then it's just the last couple of corners now. Stayed at 80 the whole way.
Oh, I didn't send as much as you then. That's fine by me, actually.
No, but we've also had the fan on,
Yeah.
and you've had to slow right down there.
Yeah, yeah. No, I'm happy. I've loved it.
Good. Massive traffic jam to just cruise it now. No, it's fine. Everyone can see it.
I'm making sure.
Let's have the windows open to.
Hey, amazing. Thank you.
Well, for Tom's first lap, I was really impressed. I'm not just saying that.
So he turns the camera off and goes, "You dick."
No, honestly, that was really good. Like you were brave into a lot of the corners, because I mean, you know how these guys handle on track as well. You're not unfamiliar with that, and you're very familiar with this suspension and these tyres.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you knew what you were doing.
I've always
You'd been for 2 laps with me beforehand, so you had a bit of an idea as to.
Yeah, I had bits in my mind of like where to be careful. It got, as you can tell towards the end, you had to tell me a few bits because I just started to think.
I think you were getting a little bit, not overconfident, but just like, it felt like a couple of those you'd have ran wide, close to the gravel.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I put it purely down to that I've got to a point where I was running out of memory of what to be wary of.
That section of the track is quite difficult to remember.
Yeah.
Because there's no, well, so you've got 2 bits that are identical to each other.
Yeah.
And it's, but the first one you have to take a little bit slower than the second one, but yeah.
Yeah.
But also when it's been raining, that second one, ice curve can stay slippy.
Yeah.
So it's like, I don't know.
No,
I'd rather say to you, just scrub a little bit of speed, and then you can gauge it for yourself.
Yeah, I don't want to be buying this car off you because you're enjoying it. So
yeah,
I don't want to buy a broken car either.
No.
But no, so I appreciate that.
Was it worth you flying over early doors yesterday, scootering around in Cologne, waiting in the hot weather for me to come and get you, driving for an hour and a bit in an uncomfortable bucket seat?
But by that point, sitting in this uncomfortable bucket seat was more comfortable than an hour and a half on an electric scooter.
And I just want to point out, for my own sort of satisfaction, gratification, I'm sat in a normal seat now. I'm not in an XL.
You've lost serious weight, mate. You've lost serious weight. You look good.
So, you know, that helped with the lap time. Must have done.
I'm jealous of 2 things. Your incredible lap and your weight loss. So, I'll take that. But no, it's been amazing.
What an experience, eh? It's just, you'll never forget your first lap.
Nah,
you never will. Especially now that we've filmed it, so you've got all the footage as well. You know.
Yeah, if that had been my GoPro, it would have crashed halfway around and lost it.
But yeah.
I'm going to continue with that. Anyway,
well done, mate. Well done.
We've always said at Motor Monkeyz, if you can, do, right? If it's a dream, try and make it reality at an affordable level. You've helped me obviously do that by being able to fly over pretty cheap and then pick me up. It's so kind of you. I'm always going to be eternally grateful for you.
That's so good, man.
But
so good.
What an experience.
Yeah. You can't beat it. You honestly can't. You know, you can see why people get hooked.
That's why I'm addicted to the track in the first place.
definitely see why people get hooked.
Thank you, mate.
No worries.
So what we'll do is we'll park up and then you can drive us whatever we're doing next. You going out again today or?